Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend, June the 25th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. And two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. But it's time for the binary. Binary time. And this will be number 4756. Yes. What kind of binary is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in this column. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Let me think. Heart. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones we have here in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Okay, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Let me see. Yeah. Between 2 ones comes an O. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. 3 O's we have here in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then. Let me think. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here in this column, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah. 3. Alright. Let me think. Do we need to compare? No, well, let me compare this one and that one. 110011 empty box 001100. So we need to switch these 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Then. Need to compare again. Well. Yeah. This column and that column. 001100. 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright, then let me think. More comparing, I do not know. More comparing. Double 1 here, no. 1 2 3 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Then. Yeah. Double 1 here, no. I cannot compare this column. How about these? How about this double 1? Nope. 101. Nope. Will be difficult. Overlook this double 1. Double O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Yeah. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. I think we need to compare. Yeah. How about this column and this row and the first row. 1 1 0 1 1 0 empty box 1 1 0. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 7 minutes. A lot of comparing, but I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.